A severe outbreak of coronavirus linked to students at MSU has the Ingham County Health Department taking emergency action tonight. It issued an order mandating a 14-day quarantine for certain addresses where there is shared housing. That includes 30 rental sorority and fraternity houses in East Lansing. The health department says people living in the homes have known cases or have been exposed to COVID-19. 7 investigator Heather CATALLO joins us live now from a testing site with a look at this outbreak being called a crisis at this point. Heather.
Yes, they are calling it a crisis, Carolyn. And as you know, in order to track COVID-19, you have to test for it. And those positive test results are exploding on campus. That's why one MSU professor wants the school to do more. As Spartan students returned to East Lansing last month, the coronavirus came with them. COVID-19 cases for Michigan State University students and those affiliated with the school jumped 52% from just 3 cases the week of August 24th to more than 400 cases. That prompted the Ingham County Health Department to order mandatory quarantines in 27 fraternities and sororities and 7 large rental houses.
It does not look like our leadership is responding as urgently as is required, given that we are in a public health crisis right now.
MSU professor RECKHOW started this online petition urging the school to mandate testing for the coronavirus and demanding daily case information. Right now, the university only reports COVID-19 cases once a week.
If you look at other universities, if you look at the University of Michigan, if you look at Ohio State University, they are reporting daily COVID numbers, and they're reporting the number of tests. So we don't even know the positivity rate among MSU students.
RECKHOW says even though all MSU undergrad classes are online, students still return to off-campus housing, and they're the ones getting sick.
They are enrolled at Michigan State University, and the university still has the resources to be testing and tracking COVID much more systematically than they are.
Dispense the spit from the dropper into the small tube.
MSU does have daily saliva tests known as the Spartan Spit Kit that can check students quickly and painlessly, but they're strictly voluntary at this point for early detection. Ingham County health officials say at least 1/3 of the new cases recently attended parties, and at least 1/3 of those gatherings are associated with a fraternity or sorority.
We have got to stop types of activities that are continuing to cause the transmission of this virus. We are looking at numbers that make April and May pale in comparison. It looks like nothing even happened when you look at the graph.
Now, MSU officials tell me they are working on launching a daily case dashboard. Hopefully that will be up soon. They also tell me that saliva test we told you about is not FDA approved to be mandated for all students at this point, but they are encouraging every student to participate in that study to help track the virus on campus. Reporting live in Southfield, I'm Heather CATALLO, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much, Heather.